Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA has broken above the trend line, but it so far hasn't really shown any impulsive signals or structures. So from that point of view, I think we simply have to redraw the trend line. See, it's what you have to do. Yeah, you have to sometimes just have to redraw your trend lines. Same way as the Elliott wave count does change as well. A lot of people don't understand that it's the same thing. You sometimes have to change your Elliott wave count. You sometimes have to change your trend line if it's not respected by the price anymore, right? So it's the same thing. Nothing special about the counts. It's just telling you where your risk sits and where the trend is going and where your possible reversal areas are and so on. And we are in one of these possible trend reversal areas currently for GALA. And at some point, it surely should turn around here. Well, it doesn't need to, but it should do to maintain the Elliott wave count, which would suggest that we have this 1-2 setup here, right? So a wave 1 to the upside, which peaked. And there's a bit of an interpretation. Was the wave 1 high basically here or here? But that doesn't really matter too much. It does matter in terms of the pullback depth, right? But I already adjusted that. And to be honest, it seems more relevant to actually lift it to up there because that's exactly where the price bounced. But in any case of slight doubt, I'd rather prefer to give it a little bit more space. So yeah, we just leave it like that. And that means as long as we're holding above 3.35 cents, we should be looking at higher, or at least I am. To get a signal that we break out to the upside, we need a break above the descending wedge. Initially, that would be a very early signal. It already reacted here yesterday to the golden ratio at 3.58 cents, an ideal time or point to turn around. But at the moment, price action would suggest one more low. As you know, that can change quickly. I only tell you that because at the moment, the price action to the upside is corrective. It doesn't need to do one more low. It has reacted to the golden ratio and has come into our trend reversal area. So from this point, we need to be ready for possible reversals in the crypto space. Even though at the moment, I'd rather be leaning towards one more low. Again, it doesn't need to. It's come down far enough. And if from anywhere here, as long as we stay above 3.35 cents, a rally occurs, that third wave rally should take us to at least 5.9 cents, the 1.618 extension. But that would really only be the minimum, right? That they should be doing. And yeah, so from that point of view, third wave, that's what we're looking for. Then a fourth wave down and a fifth wave to the upside here. That's what we want to see eventually. And yeah, I mean, it's coming down, but it seems to be working its way down in a descending wedge. Again, could be something like an ending diagonal. I can attempt a subwave structure count here. Bear in mind, they are not super reliable. I would give this a wave 1, here a wave 2, 3, 4, and we might be working our way down currently in a fifth wave, which again consists of 3 waves, A, B, C. So that's sort of what I'd go with at the moment. But again, sometimes it just doesn't do these last lows, okay? So because it could always be that it's doing a WXY, and in the Y wave, you only need 3 waves down. So yeah, but and it's also a nice low that we have in place here. But again, without price confirming trend change, I can really not tell you anything, but I think we need to be on the lookout for a possible reversal from here. It still has space. Yeah, it could still drop another, 12.5%. That sounds a lot, but it's not a lot in crypto. And to get a very first indication we have bottomed, we want to see a break above the wedge and a break above the wave 4 high at 4.08 cents would be a good indication the low is in, because then it breaks above the wave 4 high and will also have broken out of the descending wedge. And it's only that below 3.35 cents we have to consider that something more bearish is going on. Support in that case would be again at 3 cents, but below that level we're talking about possibly new bear market lows. Alright, that's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.